besties, listen, when Courtney tells you to do something, when she says do it, oh my god, you do it. So what that was referring to is she made jacket potatoes, and I was saying I've never tried Bisto. This is my first time ever getting it. If you're unfamiliar with what it is, it's actually an English product. It's gravy granules, which in the South that's probably blasphemy, but you know what? We're not stressing. We're not stressing. So I was like, am I crazy for thinking that doing a jacket potato? Hear me out. Go with me. Crack her open. Salt, pepper, English cheddar, fancy cheddar, butter, and then the Bisto. Kind of like, you know how they do the chips with the fries, but jacket a potato. So here's the Bisto granules. I'm full disclosure, I haven't even tried it yet, but I added a knob of butter, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of onion powder because I don't know. There's something in, oh, and pepper, because there's something about gravy granules to me that sounds crazy. So you're just supposed to add boiling water, and then you mix it up, and so supposedly it's like voila, there's gravy. And if you want it a little thicker, then you add more granules. If you want it, you know, thinner, then you take away. You know, give a little, pick a little. So I'm gonna mix this up, and I'll be back. Mix it up. It just came together. Let me see. Courtney, you bad girl. This, I can already tell you. This, on this potato? First up, for my youngest, and arguably my hungriest. So, one jacket potato. A little, like the ASMRs do. Okay. So we're gonna go this way. Oh, let me see. This way and that way. And these have been going, the skin is crispity crunchy. So, OMG, guys. You see that? That is, excuse me, I'm like Velma. Okay, last time you guys yelled at me because I did. Here's the Maldon sea salt. I'm going to salt and pepper the inside of the potato. I always do mine, but you know, with them, I don't know. Okay, we got some Kerrygold butter because you gotta use the good stuff. You gotta use the good stuff. And we're going to grab this butter knife. We're gonna break it all up and get it. You know how they do those in those videos where it's all creamy, you get it along the edges. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, okay, you see that? You see that? Perfect. Now, we're gonna get some cheddar cheese. First, I lied. We're gonna do some bacon crumbles. I know my son, he's a huge bacon fan, so we're gonna do some bacon in there. Then, we're gonna get some sharp cheddar cheese. Now, for hubby and I do have the like English cheddar, so I'm gonna use a little bit of this for them because I feel like they're not gonna appreciate. Like, this is aged, crystallized. There's some like onion. Do you see all this? There's some like caramelized onion. They're not gonna appreciate it. So, but we're still gonna give them, you know, the full experience. And then, oh my gosh, look. Courtney, okay, here we go. I don't even know what to say. I don't. Courtney. I think I might have to, I'm gonna have him come down here because this is just too good to, oh, maybe I can, actually, you know what? I'm not saying have him come down here. I cook this. I pay the bills in this house. I'm gonna take a bite of his. Oh, goodness, fire, lava. Oh my god. Courtney, you gotta try this. Also made some broccoli and cheese. And then, if you saw my other video, you know that I made a meatloaf. I know the jacket potatoes are like dinner, but these kids need protein. They play a lot of sports. All right, this, I gotta give credit to, well, God, for giving me the hands and the means to do this. But I've also got to give credit to my girl Courtney for inspiring me by saying, do it, OMG. So excited for this drop tomorrow. Anyway, love you, besties. This came together so well, and I attribute that to not stressing. All right, love you guys.